All right, so here we are in Pickle Groups. So the first thing that you're going to want to understand is there's players and events. So players, you're just basically going to add players to a group, and then of course you can rank them. In events, you make an event. That's kind of the first thing you do once you have a player. So we'll call this test event 1. We'll say that it's for, some time, location, James Kenny Park. And this is how many players you need to get filled. So it could be 1, could be 3 if you wanted everyone but yourself. So let's just say we want 2 players. You can look at the advanced info. It's for later. There's tooltips here on the right if you want to learn more. But basically, invite expiration makes it so that, someone can't just sit on an invite forever. And then no messages before and no messages after are basically kind of like your sleep and wake window. So people won't get text or emailed when that happens, in between those hours. So anyway, let's go to select invites next. So basically, right, you've got your groups here on the left and you can select the different groups, right? You can select all. So we can just click select all, or you can take different ones out. On the right side there, you can see that the list is in that order. So that's the order that people will get messaged, okay? So, so let's just say we want that to be there. You can now either go ahead and just send out the message. Now, what's going to happen, of course, I've got 4 people on my list. And then, of course, I need 2, I have 2 invites, right? 2 people. So what's going to happen is Horse and Porcupine will get messaged right away. And then as soon as one of them says yes or no, then Armadillo is going to get messaged. So we can save and send there at the bottom, or save and preview the invite. So let's just look at the invite. So this is what the invite will look like on their end. So they're going to get a link, and this is going to go to a website that only they can see. It's going to say the details of the game. It's going to actually tell them who's playing. I'm the host, and I'm playing, of course. But I can also not play, right? And then you can add other players here too. So if it's a game of 4, right, we invited 2, maybe Will is also playing, and then notice it shows up there. And then at the bottom, you can see it actually tells them when they need to respond by. So I have it set at 2 hours they need to respond by. That's why at the bottom, it says 12:28 p.m. because that's 2 hours from now. And they just would click yes or no. And that's about it. So we can just, boom, send the invites. And it's going to say that, there's 2 of them. We'll confirm that we want to send those. And that's it. You can go back to your events and just see that one person just got asked. And in 1 more minute, we'll ask the second person. If you have any questions, please just, message me. You can actually message me from the app if you want to, do that. So you can go to the About section. This is a web app, not a, whatever app. You can go check out your profile. Whoops, now you know my phone number, but oh well. All right, yeah, and so we got that first message already was sent, and in probably about 20 more seconds, the second message will be sent. You can go in here, you can edit your event, you can do you can do all kinds of stuff. You can edit the invite list, all that kind of stuff. You can see who has, who you're currently asking, right? Who's accepted, decline, which is nobody yet, right? And there it goes. So the second person just got asked a second ago, and you can actually see, I don't know if you can see my screen, but Porcupine just got asked via email. And then, of course, you can switch that around too. So you can, instead of email, you can actually say you want them to get text messages, or both, right? Whatever you want. Okay, that's it. Thanks